Hi everyone and welcome to Storytime with Kate. Do you have a set of those and don't know how to use it in your preschool classroom? Tune in and I will teach you what to do. Today I'm going to talk about how to use lammy sticks or rhythm sticks or clapping sticks with children. So one of my favorite songs to play with children and using these rhythm sticks is called, can you guess? It is called Happy Birthday to You. Of course, children love this song. Even if they're toddlers, they do know this song. So we can first tap this song. Happy birthday to you. And then they have to repeat after you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. And then you can tap children's name. Chester, that's the name of my dog. Happy birthday to you. Why tapping children's names along with this song is important? It helps them to develop their understanding of syllables. So every name, for example, my name has either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 taps. Yeah, let's hear it out. Kate, how many taps did you hear? 1. If it's Lauren, that's 2 taps. If it is Catherine, that's 3 taps. So this helps them to identify these little syllables and develop their phonological awareness and understanding of language. Try it with children and use their names to tap them with the rhythm sticks.